Amazing. I'm right here at the rear, as you can see. Okay bro, you can rev. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, thank you man. What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Lotus Emira. It's a 2-liter engine. It's a rear mid-engine in fact. Guys, check out the color. Red. I believe this should be the vivid red. Damn, it looks stunning guys. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now, badging. Let's start with the badging. This is the Lotus badging, the yellow. Blends in with the red, stunning. Lights are located right here. LED lights are right there, which we'll turn on later in a while more to show you. Check out the black finish right here, the gloss black finish. Bottom piece right here. Number plate is located right there. Now this is their car that is also for sale. You guys can check out and find out more about this exact unit with the respective salespeople here at Lotus Cars. Now let's move on to the side of the car. Check out the openings right here where the air flows through. Beautiful design. Goes right here, comes out on top of here, creates downforce in a way to hold the car down, because this car has amazing power on it. 420 Newton meters of torque, I believe, 362 horsepower that's on this 2-liter engine. Now the wheels, these are 20-inch wheels guys. It looks absolutely beautiful on this car itself. Now check out the tire size, 245/35 R20. Your caliper is in red. You got your drill disc brakes with some nice design touches all over the place right here and there. Beautiful guys, beautiful. Now, Michelin tires, amazing. Side mirrors are also in red. You have an option to go for the black pack, which is making the side mirrors become black. From here onwards will also be black. That is an option that you can go for when you spec up your very own Lotus Emira. Now, check out the openings right here for air to flow through. Press, open up. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Now, check out the side profile of it. Whew. Beautiful. Lotus. So, you got some red stitching right here to match in with the color on the outside. Of course, the interior you can choose for any color you wish to. Alcantara suede finish, leather finish right here. You also get your CAF audio sound system in the car, if you wish to, 10 speakers. Emira badging right here for the side seals. You get your Alcantara suede finish interior with your leather, and also your red stitching all over the place. Got some Lotus wording right there. Amazing layout guys, amazing. So Emira wording also at the carpet, presentable in every way possible. This is the first edition guys, so therefore you get to see this. Damn, beautiful. Now check this out. I'm in the passenger seat. Of course driver will be sitting over there, which we'll get to in a while more. But check this out. That's the door. This is me sitting down. I can get comfortably in and out, just like that. Get back in. I can choose to sit and just sit comfortably. So cool. As I mentioned earlier, I was in the driver's seat. Sorry, passenger seat. So seat belts are also in black. Amazing layout. Now you have your first edition wording that is on the gear knob right here. Gear, drive, neutral, reverse, all of it is located right here. Now this is the automatic, right? So it's much more easier to manage. You got your wireless charging, not really a wireless charging, sorry, your place where you store your phone. Now play, pause button, volume, drive mode selector, aircon temperature, aircon controls, your screen lights up. We will not start this car, but cup holders, some storage space down here, Type-C charging together with your USB. Beautiful. You got some storage space that you can keep some stuff down here if you wish to. But yeah, I still can adjust the seats. They are also electronically adjustable. So yeah, it's cool. So what is up guys? We're back. Earlier we had to move a little bit because I had someone that wanted to take a look at this car, but let's head down to the rear wheels, shall we? Now, these are the rear wheels for the Lotus Emira 2-liter. And we have the drill disc brakes, red calipers on your left. Check that out, amazing. yellow badging. You get your tire size 295/30 R20, 20-inch wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. Amazing. Love how these wheel designs are looking. They have the grey finish on the inside. You got some silver finishes on the outside. These are like these diamond kind of cut wheels. I love it. Looks beautiful. Now let's check out the rear side of the car. Check out how there's no wing, there's no spoiler, but just the curve of the rear makes the car look super nice, man, dude. Red roof, glass at the back, got some black finishes right here for cooling purposes, for the engine to cool down, because the engine is located right there. Over the glass here as well, there's some opening. Now these are the chrome finishes that we have for the lettering at the back. You got some opening right here for the rear wheel arch to let some air out from here. As you can see, there's some hole right there, and it's black. The brake lights, beautifully designed in a way. You got your rear diffuser with some different color exhaust. If you go for the fully extended black pack or the lower black pack and the upper black pack option, right? So you get the particular exhaust also in black as well. So in this case, it's in this chrome finish type of a design. Beautiful enough, blends in quite well. First edition, you have it right here. Now, petrol cap is right here. You can close that back all the way down. Now let's move on to the driver's side of the door. Check that out, amazing. Opening of the door is super spacious. Now let's head on back in to see how comfortable I can get in and out. That's it. The previous Lotus cars, you were unable to actually do that comfortably, but now you can. Check that out. Amazing layout, guys. Amazing layout. You have all sorts of settings that you can choose from, but we're not going to fidget around and play around with any of that just yet because we're not test driving the car. But in the meantime, take a look at the setup. Paddle shifters right here. Negative for downshift. Upshift is right here. You got your wipers located on your right. You got your lights located on your left. Steering wheel would be adjusted manually. The lever is down here. But check that out. Emira badging on the steering wheel. Lotus here. Start button right here. As I mentioned earlier, the place to keep your phone right down there. You get this Emira wordings on your aircon tips. Nice touch, very nice touch. Spot pedals, chrome a little bit here and there. Brake release, boot opening, which you will do that. Just to open up the boot to show you guys. These are for your cruise control. Oh no, sorry, your lighting. These are your lighting differences between the screen brightness. Sorry, cruise control is not there, it's over here. Volume adjustments, cruise control, distance between you and the front car, amazing. So let's get down. Memory seats, we got two. We got the CAF audio sound system as well. So let's get down. You have got this stick opening right here. Mirror adjustments, side mirrors, lock, unlock. Cool. Now let's open up the rear. Check that out, check that out. So this is the boot space that we have. Now we have some stuff located right here because this is a demo unit. Let's ignore that. Engine compartment fully covered, nicely done. It cools up from the left and the right. As you can see, maximum luggage allowance is up to 50 kg. But yeah, beautiful. Now, check out the lights. They are already turned on, guys. Check that out. They are already turned on. So let's check out the front, daytime running lights. They are not on just yet, but let's turn it on in a while more. Here we go. And there we go. So the lights are already turned on right now for the daytime running lights. Check that out, guys. Amazing, right? Looks so gorgeous. This car looks super gorgeous, guys. Let's open up this just for you guys to have a look at what is right in front of you here right now. This car is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. So yeah. So that is it, guys, for today. Thank you guys for watching. And if you'd like to find out more about Lotus cars, do head down to Lotus Cars at Glenmarie. where you'll be able to locate this beautiful car and many more other beautiful cars that are here available. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.